Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from technery.com. We have an interesting tech news for you. The gadgets and smartphone accessories brand from India, iGear, has launched a new device into the Indian market. This is the iGear iLumi. Let us have a look at the features of this ambient light solution. This is an ambient light solution with 7 colors and eye protection. Some of the highlights of this device includes 12-hour battery and 350 hours of standby time. It has 7 color 1.5 watt LED which is inside a matte finished plastic enclosure to provide dim and bright enough ambient light in the room. This matte finished enclosure is able to protect eyes of the user from the bright LED by diffusing the light and softening it. It is a portable mood lamp. You can easily choose any of the different 7 colors, which include green, orange, red, blue, daylight, pink, and yellow. With hand gestures, you can easily turn on the lamp, change the colors, or even adjust the brightness without even touching the iGear iLumi. You can simply wave your hand and easily switch the colors as per the need. It can also be mounted near doors, stairs, entrances so that it automatically illuminates your path in the dark. There is a built in rechargeable battery which is able to provide 12 hours of battery life in a single charge as per the brand. Even if you use this light as an emergency lamp by your bedside, that is 15 minutes a day average, then it can last for 1.5 to 2 months in a single charge, which is just amazing. This light has up to 350 hours of standby time. It is a good portable ambient mood lamp for desktops, parties, travel, home, hiking, picnic, emergency lights, etc. It is available in white color variant and has introductory price of rupees 699 only. So this is an amazing ambient light solution. As mentioned, there are a lot of benefits of using it, and you can actually keep it anywhere. You can carry it with you during travel. It's a really unique and yeah, must buy have device. So if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below to grab it at the introductory price. Also keep visiting our website, which is technery.com. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram page, which is technery.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell notifications on. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day ahead.